start with a slip knot to join thread to the needle. So first make a loop like this and hold here. Then from inside the loop, grab this thread and hold and pull these through tails. So this is called slip knot. After that, make 63 chains. Always your needle on the left side. Grab. When you are coming out of the loop, always head of the needle down. 1, 2, 3, and always hold needle in the same position. Rotate your hand, don't rotate your needle. So your thumb play here and support with this finger, and these two fingers take support here, and with this finger make the tension. So needle, this is on the left side, grab. When you are coming out of the loop, it should be down head. Just grab. When you feel tight here, just pull this thread. Like this, make total 63 chains. So these are total 63 chains for foundation chain. For counting, if you see this V shape, this is my hook. From hook, this is first chain, second, third, fourth. So this V is one chain, fifth, sixth, like this. So here for the row 1, we will make half double crochet in the second chain. From hook, this is the first chain. We skip the first one. We will work in the second chain. Yarn over first, then insert, grab and pull this up. Now again grab and pull through all the 3 loops. This is one single half double crochet. Yarn over, and this stitch is done. Now this is our next stitch here. Yarn over, this is our next stitch. While inserting, take the support of this finger downwards and this tip support. So for you easy to insert, head in downwards. Then grab. While coming out of the loop, head downwards. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. You have to make 6 half double crochets. If you see height, counting also important. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are done. Next 6 you have to make slip stitches. Slip stitch is easy. Wherever you are going to insert now, put this finger here down of that stitch, and this finger always holds. Your left hand is used to support the yarn, right hand for the needle. So insert, grab and again pull through. So here we will just grab and pull through these 2 at the same time. Direct insert, grab and pull through. Like this you have to make 6 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to count stitches while making only. Then again 16 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So like this you have to make 16 half double crochets, then 6 slip, 16 half, 6 slip, 6 half as shown in the pattern for row 1. So this is my row 1. I finished working row 1. Now we will do row 2. For that, after finishing 6 half double crochet here, first you have to make 1 chain, then turn your work, means back side. So now from here to here you will do the next row, row 2. After 1 chain, turn. From this side we will start working row 2, but for row 2 yarn over we will insert only in the back loops. If you see, you will be finding V here. This is 1 stitch, second, third. So here center insert and you will make half double crochet in the back loop only. 1. Again second, like in the center of the V, insert, work in the back loop. 2. Hold your work like this with these 2 fingers. One is back, one is front, like this. Then you are able to find the stitches. So on the top, insert at the center and work in the back loop. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pattern is same. For each row we will work 6 half double crochets, next 6 slip stitches, 16 half double crochet. So we will repeat the same pattern, but here we are working only on the back loops. And here it is little difficult for slip stitches. If you see, these are the stitches we have to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here for this stitch, this is back loop, this one. So we insert here slip stitch. Again, if you see, this is the next stitch, this V. So insert at the center of the V, second. This is the next stitch, third. If you are not able to do, just take the help of these fingers for in. So our 6 slip stitches are done. Now we will do 16 half double crochet. So this is the next stitch. So insert from the top only in the back loop. 1. So always hold your work right. If it turn, your work will be difficult to work. So always work this finger back side, this finger front side, hold like this. From the top, insert at the center and work in the back loop. Insert only in the back loop. Like this we will finish row wise. Only while working in the slip stitch you feel little difficult to do in back loops. So if you see, we are working from here to here, so this is the back side. This is our next stitch, and this is front loop, this is back loop. This V we are inserting only in the back loop, slip stitch. Again, this is our next stitch. You can use these fingers to push this. Now half double crochets, back loops. And here after little last one. So again this is row 2 complete. For row 3 you have to make one chain and turn. So now we will work from here to here, same pattern in the back loops. So half double crochet in the back loop. Like this you can increase rows. So for this project we will make 4 rows. So 1, 2, this is third one. After this again last, fourth. My row 3 completed. So again make one chain and turn. Again we will work from here in the back loops. Same pattern. So now row 4 also completed. So then before cutting the yarn, make one chain. Whenever you, after finishing any crochet work, you have to make a chain, then only cut the yarn. After chain, pull this loop little long, then cut here. So remove this, so it will close. Then after that secure these extra threads. Here only one stitch after one, front to back. Take after one loop, one side front to back, like this, just weaving. If you cut it immediately, it may come out. So we have to weave this to after 2-3 stitches, then you can cut. Anyway, here we will tie the center slip stitch part, so till there we can take this like this, then you can cut. The same way, just secure this thread, front to back, just one stitch. So now the final part we will tie at the center. Try to keep all the slip stitches together. So like this. This is the center one. First fold this side, then fold this side, and in the center part we will tie with the thread. first take this thread, leave little tail for the knot, then hold and tie it very tightly 10 to 15 rounds. So after that, just cut this thread. Back side, make a knot. Just make 2 to 3 knots. Then cut. Apply a little Fevicol here so that this knot will be secure. So this is your, just adjust, keep this down.